Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be explaining the operations that can be performed on dictionary using some predefined functions. Let's start the tutorial. Let us first see the methods or the functions that are already available in Python, starting with pop and pop item, clear, del, items, values, keys, and copy. These are some regularly used functions to perform operations on dictionaries. Let's start with pop. Pop function is used to delete an item from the dictionary. Here the item is identified based on the key. Let us see pop function with an example. Let us create a dictionary for our example. Here I am going to take a dictionary name D, and we are going to make entries into the dictionary. Now we have created a dictionary. Let's see how to pop or delete an item using the pop function. Simply specify the pop function, and the value that we need to delete, we need to specify its key. Let's say I want to delete ABC value from the dictionary. I need to specify the key, which is 3 in this case. If I use that, the function returns the value that it has deleted from the dictionary. If we print the dictionary again, we can see that only the key 1 and the value 2 exist in the dictionary. Let's move on to the next function, which is pop item. Like how pop is used to delete a specific item from the dictionary, pop item function by default deletes the last item that is present in the dictionary. Let's see pop item function with an example. Here I'm gonna add one more value to the dictionary so that it will be easy to show you the difference. Let us add one more value, which is done by simply specifying a key and the value that we need. Let's see what the contents of D. We can see that we have a key 1 and value 2, and we have key 2 and value high. Now let's see pop item function. D dot pop item. If we hit that, we can see that the last item which we have recently updated into the dictionary is deleted from the dictionary. Let's again print D, and we can see that the lastly updated item is removed from the dictionary. Let's move on to the next, which is clear. Here we are using pop and pop item to remove one item at a time, whereas the clear function is used to clear or delete the entire dictionary items, but it doesn't delete the dictionary. The clear function removes all the items from the dictionary and makes the dictionary into an empty dictionary. Let us see if we clear the existing dictionary, which is clear, and if we print, we can see that the curly braces without anything, it means it resembles an empty dictionary. Let's move on to the next function, which is items. To use this, we need some values to be in the dictionary. Let's update some values into the dictionary D. We need to specify a key, now we have two values in the dictionary. Let's see what items function is used for. Item function is used to get the items, which is the key value pair, from the dictionary. If we use d dot items, then we can see that it returns the key value pair from the dictionary. Let's move on to the next function, which is values. The function name itself resembles that. The function is used to print only the values from the dictionary. Let's say we are going to access the values of the dictionary D. Here we can see that the values hi and pcpy is printed on the screen. Let's move on to the next function, which is keys. The name itself specifies that it returns the keys that are available in the dictionary. Let's try to print the keys that are available in the dictionary. Here we can see that the key is 1 and the another key is name. Let's move on to the final function in our category, which is copy. The name specifies a copy of the existing dictionary, but here if we use the copy function, it creates a shallow copy, not a reference copy. I will show you what is shallow copy and what is reference copy. Let me first show you the reference copy. Here I am going to create another dictionary and I am going to assign the dictionary D to it, and there is a predefined function called id to get the address of any variable. Let's say we are going to get the address of dictionary D2. That's the address of dictionary D2, and if we try to get address of the dictionary D, we can see that the address are same. This is reference copy. That means two variables pointing to the same memory location is nothing but reference copy. Let's create another dictionary with name D3, and here we are going to copy the content of the dictionary using the copy method, which creates a shallow copy. In this case, if we check the address of D3, we can see that the address is different when compared with the address of the dictionary D. This is nothing but shallow copy. Reference copy makes two variables to point to the same memory location, whereas a shallow copy creates a new memory location and makes the variable to get assigned to that new memory location. This is the difference between shallow copy and reference copy. And one more thing I wanted to say here is that whatever the address I got here as output, you may not get the same address as your output, because it depends on system, so it changes from system to system. So don't arise a question that our address is not matching with the address in the video. That's all for this video, guys. In the next video I will be explaining set, the last data type in our category, and the operations on set. Thanks for watching the video. Get subscribed and I will continue in the next video.